muscles and everything. It makes you feel like you're barefoot. Recording and
We are here today, all gathered together to celebrate life. To celebrate that 30 years ago, a beautiful soul landed in this planet to later become our friend.
Tells you you've been there before.
Oh my god, that's so
A sun god in the sky, the only reminder of the days passing by.
This weekend was also a pinch of air for me. I inhaled the air I didn't know I needed to breathe.
Just running down the time with all of our
I dipped my skin into the same fresh water I drank.
Your debts have all been paid. So go on and walk away. I hope out there you'll stay on, where we won't cry no more. Truth turns the needle through more, and trust us to follow its course.
I saw the sun
Sometimes it's the light that takes the day trembling in
and the moon
its denial.
and the stars
One ruling is left.
and experienced the rotation of the earth
There'll be less.
while singing and laughing.
Trails too far to find. If every damn stranger's got something to hide. But God
I pushed my body uphill
overthrown, the way is wide
and slept under the most beautiful ceiling.
open. It's never been so close now. There we won't cry no more.
I am damn strong, and I have the most beautiful friends around me. I just feel gratitude for everything in my life.